One of the funny things you don't realize about 3PO, when I walk along, I am making the most awful noise. Like, everything is clanking. The shoes are clanking into the calves, which are clanking, the thighs, the waist, everything is clanking. My arms clank the head. All those sounds are coming up into my head. It's awful. It stops me hearing what people are saying, but I've read the script, so I know what you were meant to say. Hopefully you will say. So what happened after Ben Burt again, who won an Oscar for all of this, what he did was have somebody, every time 3PO moved, this, I think it was a lady, would have a machine that went bzz, 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 bzz. So you watch the film, and every time 3PO moves an arm, another servo motor, turning his head, and it gives an added credibility to the machinery of 3PO, because he is indeed a machine, even though he's the most wonderful, wonderful, sensitive creature.